Hi all, I welcome you all in on behalf of Exponential Up, which is an educational academy. We will be bringing O-level exam preparation guidance series for business studies subject here. We will be sharing solved examples in this learning journey. There are 6 sections in this entire course. Every section has many topics, and upon completion of every section we will share practice questions. Right now we are solving practice question of section number 1. ABC company produces a range of games. The company best selling product is game X. For many years ABC has sold the game to domestic market, but now trying to export to other country as well. However, export sales have been disappointed in past. X game sale is 3 upon 8 of total sale. Out of total sale, 80% is domestic and remaining is export. The total company sale is $420. Calculate number A, value of sales of X games. Number B, value of export. Number C, MD believes that price is inelastic. Explain this term. Number D, how pricing policy might be influenced by demand, being price is inelastic. Question number E, how important distribution channel are for increasing sales. And question number F, what might company find it difficult to sell games in other country. In this question I have written the question in red font. Key points is yellow highlighted, and I have solved this question with blue font. Now let's go to solution one by one. Question number 1, value of sales of X games. It was given that 3 upon 8 is value of sales of X games and total sales is $420. So 3 by 8 multiplied by 420, which is equivalent to $157.5, is the answer of part A. Part B, what is the value of export sales? Now it was given that 20% is the value of export sale. So 20 multiplied by 420 divided by 100 equals to $840. Number 3, MD believes that price is inelastic. Explain this term. As price is inelastic, it means for higher increase in price there will be relatively lower decrease in demand. In other words, demand will not drop significantly if we increase the price. Question number D, how pricing policy might be influenced by demand, being price is inelastic. Now price inelastic will not affect sales most probably because it is inelastic. So you can consider price increase. Question number E, how important distribution channel are for increasing sales. Now distribution channel are very important because they are used to ensure product availability at retail store, at shop from where customer buy the product, and product present at shop is must. So eventually role of distribution channel is too much important in this particular scenario. Part number F, what might company find it difficult to sell game in other country. Now customer choices are different in different countries, so probably ABC company should make new marketing mix, they should develop new marketing strategy, they should probably explore new products considering the customer requirement in new countries, they should establish new pricing policy, they should use new place and new promotion techniques. I hope you have well understood this question. Thank you.